Namaste Gurukulites. In our last session, we had learned about the features and uses of MS Word. In today's session, let us know the features and working of MS Excel. You can see the steps displaying on the screen to know more about the features and working of MS Excel. To open MS Excel app, you can go to Windows Start button or you can simply type here as MS Excel. You can find the Excel app here. Click on it. Similar to your MS Word, you can find Home, New, Open option here. Home option displays all the templates of MS Excel. New, it is used to create a new blank Excel sheet. Open is used to open the saved document. On the right side, you can find the More Templates option similar to your MS Word. Here you can see more templates which you can select to design your MS Excel, or simply you can select a blank workbook so that you can enter your own data. Here you can find the toolbar options which is displaying many features. The firstly, File. Similar to your MS Word, you can find Home, New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Share, Close. So many options. I think the name itself will give you the information about these options. The next is Home. Here you can find copy and paste options. Next, you can find the font style, size, and you can have the background color or font color you can use. I think the changes you can see in the particular cell. In which cell you are going to select, there the color will be get applied to it. Next, you can find the merge center. This option is used to merge many cells into a single cell. The next option is left alignment, center alignment, and right alignment. Please see the difference which I am selecting here, and also the color of the letters and background color. So these options are used to apply the colors to the fonts, and also you can find the filter option here which filters from A to Z, that is lowest to highest, and Z to A, that is highest to lowest. And also you can find the formatting option, and also you can find insert and delete options, that is row insert, column insert, and you can find insert and delete options. Insert to add rows and columns, delete to delete rows and columns, and also format. So you can resize the rows and columns, and you are having the auto sum option to calculate the sum of the values, and also you are having find and select searching options. The next comes the insert. Similar to your MS Word, you are having the insert options. Here you can insert a table, pictures, shapes, etc. Let me take a sample data. I can apply the formula sum. Please see how I am applying the formula. Equal to sum, and I am selecting the values. The same formula can be copied to rest of the cells by dragging down. And also I can calculate the percentage. Formula is equal to total marks divided by total 6 subjects. I am giving 6. The same formula can be copied to rest of the cells. So like this we can apply the formulas automatically. So like this we can apply the formula and copy to rest of the cells. And how to apply the charts? Let me take an example. If I want to see the marks scored of a student individual analysis, I will select from student name to subject 6 and I will select the pie chart. So out of 600, we can see how much marks the student has scored, which is the highest and which is the lowest. And also this can be applied to other student also. So let me take this students. Let me take another student. So here we can see in which subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, in which subject the student has scored highest and least. So like this we can apply the chart for the data. Next we are having the page layout option. Here also we are having the orientation like portrait and landscape, and we are having page breaks, and we are having the formulas which is inbuilt in the app, as we are having the financial formulas. In my introduction I have told the Excel is used mainly for accounting purpose. So financial formulas are there, logical formulas are there, text formulas, date and time, mathematical and trigonometric formulas. Along with that, so many other formulas are also there in this Excel option and application. Next we have data option and we have review option. Again it is used for spell and grammar check and translation is there. And next it comes to view, how it is viewed, and the last option is help option. So these are all about the Excel, how it's going to work, what are the features are there, how we can use it and all.
Gurukulites, in our next session, we'll learn about the most interesting topic, that is MS PowerPoint. Namaste.